Welcome back to another video. I am Jaden. Today we're going to be talking about the company Nordic American Tankers today, and we're going to be talking about the quarter one earnings that are coming out tomorrow, May 18th, 2020. We're going to be talking about what we should expect, what should we look for in the report, and what time was the report actually going to be available for us to look at. Before we get on into the video, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the bell icon to be notified every time that we come out with a new video. And make sure to comment and tell us what you think of the video and what you'd like to see in future videos. To start, we're going to talk about what we expect from Nordic American Tankers earnings. The consensus EPS estimate is 26 cents per share, and the revenue estimate is $83 million on the quarter. If you currently have any shares in the company, you are hoping that they beat this EPS of 26 cents per share and they at least get 30. And revenue, you'd be hoping for about 85 to 90 million on the quarter. That would be great for the stock, and I could see it rising at least 10 to 20% within the next couple days if they did beat it by that margin. If Nordic American Tankers does not even meet expectations and it's below the 26 cents per share, I could see the stock falling all the way to the next support level, which is around $4. If you own any shares in the company, the reason you want them to beat their EPS is because that means they'll be making more than we expected them to actually make for the quarter. This will be a great thing for the share price, as it'll most likely go up and tell everyone that they are actually making the money that we expected and not underperforming like the other tanker stocks have been. Now that we've talked about what we expect from the quarter one report, we're going to talk about what we want to see inside the quarter one report. When we look at the last report that they had, which was quarter four of 2019, we can see that they had a net profit that came in at $12.7 million against a loss of $10.5 million from the year before in the same quarter. We want to make sure that they are making a profit and they're not actually taking a loss. Also, we want to see guidance. Guidance is something that we really want to see in this company, as we want to see if they are actually going to be making the same amount of money in the future. If they come out and say that this is the strongest tanker market they've ever seen again, like the CEO did on Jim Cramer's TV show, because we don't know if they've been making the same amount of money that they've been making back when he said that. They could be making a lot less or a lot more than they were. And if he comes out and says that they expect to be making the same amount or more throughout at least the next 2 quarters, that would be tremendous for this company. And this stock would be a $15 stock, if not more, if they can keep that income coming in for the next quarters and even up to a year. So when exactly can we see this report? Well, it comes out tomorrow, Monday, May 18th at 6:50 a.m. Eastern Time. And so if you're in Central, it'll be 5:50 a.m. Mountain Time, 4:50 a.m., and Pacific Time, 3:50 a.m. If you have any shares in this company of Nordic American Tankers, you're going to want to be up for this just in case they do not meet their earnings estimate. Because if they don't, it's most likely going to fall down to $4. And the best case scenario for you would be to sell as soon as they release their earnings if they are negative, and then buy back later if you're still a firm believer in the future for this company. Even if you do not have any shares in Nordic American Tankers, you're going to want to be up to be able to see if they exceed or meet their expectations, because there is a good chance that their company stock price could go up at least 10% within a day or two if they do exceed their expectations. So that would be a great time to buy in if you are looking for the right place to get in. If you are not up, though, that early in the morning to be able to see the results from their earnings, I will be posting a video very early in the morning to recap what they said inside their quarter one earnings. So just stay tuned for that and make sure you have the bell icon turned on so that you're notified whenever I do post that tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for making it this far into the video. Make sure to like and comment whether or not you have any money invested into Nordic American Tankers, and if you're looking to sell or buy more within the next couple of days. And if you had any questions that I did not already discuss, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and I will definitely get to you, or I can even make another video about it. And if you have any stocks that you've been interested in or just want technical analysis over, just make sure to comment that below, and we'll do a video over it. But other than that, see you guys in the next video.